Hi friends! Today we are going to make cheesecake with Oreo biscuits. We need 200 grams of cream cheese, 80 grams of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, and then 2 eggs, and 200 milliliter of fresh cream and lemon juice. And of course, we will need 8 to 9 pieces of Oreo biscuits. We are going to use this cream cheese, and this recipe is inspired by this recipe. First, let's crush the Oreo biscuits. Put the crushed biscuit on the baking sheet, like this. We're going to cool while preparing the cream cheese ingredients. Melt the cream cheese for 50 seconds to 1 minute at 500 watt or depending on your microwave. Add 80 grams of sugar. I usually use brown sugar. Mix properly. You want to mix it very nicely. In a separate bowl, beat 2 eggs and mix properly. And then mix the egg to the cream cheese mixture. Mix properly until you get the creamy result. And then we are going to put the flour. Sift 3 tablespoons of flour and mix it with the cream cheese. Again, mix properly. We are going to put fresh cream little by little, like this. Now we are going to put the melted butter, give it a good whisk, and then lastly, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. After mixing properly, put the cream cheese mixture onto the crushed Oreo biscuit and bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Hi, I'm Kitine, and I share simple and easy to make Japanese food and sometimes sweets. And if you like this kind of videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Mata ne. Enjoy the cake.